Good Thursday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari, tracking once again another very mild start to the day, but on top of that, a lot of moisture in the Brazos Valley, and that even sparked up a few isolated showers and brief thunderstorms very early this morning. Let's go ahead and take a little glance here at PinPoint radar. That thunderstorm activity has actually since dissipated over portions of Montgomery, up through Walker County, and even out through San Jacinto County. I think just near West Livingston is where we're going to see that brief isolated downpour, but again, thunderstorm activity is really dwindling out that direction with that cluster of scattered showers. However, we're not quite out of the woods just yet. Those chances are going to continue for rain and storms throughout the morning and even later today. Until then, this morning, temperatures have been starting off in the mid-60s for the majority of us. We have a few folks near the lower 60s, such as Madisonville and Trinity at 62 degrees. Our weather watcher in Centerville was actually reporting near 59 degrees before sunrise this morning. Winds are gradually picking up a tad bit of speed out of the east, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and I think as we go through the rest of today, they will continue to shift out of the southeast, but keeping that general flow about 5 to 10 miles per hour. You can see quite a bit of moisture engulfing the Lone Star State once again. Not only are we anticipating some rain to filter on in from the south with all that Gulf moisture, but also looking at some disturbances out to the west, which will help to sweep on in and again help to bring in that rain and thunderstorm activity as we go through the rest of today. Now, timing has been a little bit difficult to pinpoint, but for the most part, we are looking for not only some scattered showers to move on through out of the south and the southwest this morning, some of which could actually bring isolated thunderstorms as early as the mid to late morning hours and continuing that chance throughout the afternoon, as you can see in this model here. So by the afternoon and even the early evening hours, we're going to be continuing that 60% chance for not only scattered rain, but also some possibly strong thunderstorms. And the main thing that we're watching with that are that any thunderstorms that do pop up could be on the strong to severe side. Well, as we go through your pinpoint forecast late tonight through Friday overnight, this model in particular is not really showing those rain chances for the first half of your Friday. However, we're still keeping a 60% chance on Friday to see some of those scattered showers filter on through, maybe even a little bit earlier in the day. However, the strongest activity is looking to actually make its way later in the afternoon and in the evening hours, all ahead of our next cold front, some of which could again bring strong to possibly severe thunderstorms across the Brazos Valley, and that is why portions of the Brazos Valley, both today and tomorrow, again, we'll be looking at that severe weather potential. Main concern could be, again, brief downpours, frequent lightning, gusty winds ahead of those thunderstorms, maybe even some pretty good-sized hail, and that's what we're going to really be watching out for with any of these storms that do turn severe either today or tomorrow. Other than that, we will aim for those upper 70s both days. I think that cloud cover will greatly depend, or affect rather, how warm those temperatures get through the rest of the week, but it's all leading up to a cold front that will sweep on through, and believe me, that cold front is not going to impact temperatures much. We're actually staying still in the 80s over the weekend and keeping a 40% chance in the forecast for Saturday. If you notice, those rain chances actually went up a little bit for Saturday, so just prepare to have a few scattered showers and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms move on through, but anything that does turn strong or severe is mainly staying in the Thursday and Friday forecast. Other than that, by the end of the weekend into your upcoming work week, we'll finally get a break from the rain chances and look for everything to gradually clear out with plenty of sunshine to help wrap up your weekend forecast. Thanks again for logging on.